students. So today in Flash we are going to start with animation. Yes, so we have to create on Flash document. Here today I don't want property window so that we can see the animations clearly. This white area is called my stage and gray is called my work area. Now whatever when I'm going to draw anything, whatever I'm going to do animations on the gray area, when I'm doing the animation, we want to see it on the picture. You can't see whatever is moving, what is there any animation on the gray area. So what we can see, whatever we are doing on our stages are white area. This is tool side, this is color palette, and this is libraries. So in Flash, we create symbols, and whenever we create symbols, it is going to symbol means when I create an object. Object means object can be my drawing. Object can be if I click and paste anything, any drawing here, that can be my object. If I draw a rectangle, that is also my object, and I can convert it into my symbol. And whenever I want to reuse it, I can reuse it in my animation. This is most important for animation. We should know this is called my timeline. Okay, so and this is layers. So for example, and for each frame you can see downside, so many frames are there. The frames, actually it is used to save whatever activity is going on for the object. So all the activities of the object, whatever changes we are doing, it is going to save here in the time frames. Fine. So for example, let us do a simple animation. Go to the rectangle and I draw one polygon here. Fine. And I can change the color from here. 1 minute. I want to draw this one. Fine. I come here and I just fine. This is my polygon. This is my symbol. Fine. How can I convert it into symbol? Just click on it, right click, or convert to symbol. It is going to ask you what is the name of your symbol and what do you want in graphics or in movie clip button. We will click on movie clip because we are going to change over there. Okay, we are going to make the animation. Just click over OK. Fine. It is saved by the name of symbol 1. You can see in the library. Fine. Sorry, first of all we have to create one layer. So you can rename the layer. For example, here double click here and you can name is at polygon. Fine. This is polygon. Now in this polygon I want to do the animation. This is my figure. So what I have to do, this is time frame, 5 frames. I have to click on any frame, right click there, and you have to click on insert frame. Fine. Now go to the first frame, click where you can see the black dot over there, right click there and insert frame there also. First we should do, then you can right click and create motion tween. Fine. Once I click motion tween, you can see the dotted line is there. It means it is showing that now this object will move, but where it will move we have to show the path. Okay, so for this go to the last frame that was selected earlier, right click, select it, then go to the select tool, double click here, and then what you can do, click on selection and select your figure. Fine. Now you can move it. Where I want to move it, I want to move it here. Fine. Let us see how we can, is it working or not. So for that we have two options. Go to the control, click on the plane, or you can press enter key. Fine. Now my shape is moving. What is the second method? Second method is click on control. If I want to see on a big screen, click on the test menu. Okay, it will show you like this. Maximize it, you can see like that. Now you can close it. Right now, in 30th frame, my shape is here. Now I want to move it more. For example, from here I want to keep it on the downside, so I just click on my 60th frame. It depends on you in on what frame number you want. Okay, this is frame per second, means once I click on the 60th frame, right click, create motion tween, sorry, insert frame, you can see dot lines are coming. So once I click on the motion, create motion tween, it will create by itself when we click on the create insert frame. So now again we have to move it where I want to keep it on the downside. Then again on frame, insert keyframe, I keep it here. Fine. Now again right click and insert frame, keep it here. Fine. Now let us see how it is working. So for that I am pressing control and enter. So this is my simple motion tween. Now if I want to move two objects together, so for that I have to create one more layer. So I have to click here, insert layer, because if I want to move two objects, I need two layers. So click on this. Now we can rename it first. Let us uh, make a circle downside, and I'm going to change its color. I'm going to make it red. Fine. Then I just go to the layer and I change its name by ball. Fine. Now if I click control and click this layer, both of them will be selected together. If you want to select two layers together, so for that, this sign means I want to increase or decrease the size of the window, but I don't want. So here also we have to do the same thing on the 30th. If I double click on the 30th and then on 60, it's not working, so I have to do it again. Right click, create motion tween and insert frame. Let us see now how it will work. I just click on enter key. So you can see my only one image is moving, not the second one. Ball is not moving. Why? Because I created the motion tween, but I have not created the insert frame. So what I have to do? Right click, insert frame. Then again on the right, on the 30th, insert frame. Now this time you have to tell the position. So what you have to do? Click on selection, click and drag wherever you want. Fine. On the 60th, right click, and insert frame. Here you can do it like this. If you want, you can keep it down outside the stage. Then on 85 again, right click, insert frame, and right now click and drag it here, and on the last frame right click, insert frame, and I just keep it on this side. Fine. Now let us see, is it working or not? Enter. So this is how it is moving, but if you want to see how it will look in the picture, for that you have to click on control and enter. Look, what is in the gray area, you can't see that animations. Okay, so this is how you can create a simple motion tween in Flash. You can change the shapes, okay, and do the animations.